In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop Laravel luxury hotel and resort booking website. Example of this script is RioRelax. Let's look at some of the features. Okay, let's look at the demo homepage. This is how the demo is going to look like after developing it. That's the home page. So this script is good for anybody that is running an online business. So to purchase this script, kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. So for my cPanel, I go to my file manager. For my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for these testing purposes. So here is it. I click on it. I've already uploaded my script. Let me extract it. Extract files. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install your script. Let me scroll down. Okay, I click on close. There is a started file. Let me open it. Select or I'm moving it to the root folder. Move files. Next, I click on up one level. Let me copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Then click on enter. Next, I click on let's go. So let's scroll down. Configure environment. So I will go to my database to create my database now. Let me go back to my cPanel. Next time around, I'm going to my databases. Manage my databases. So let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. I have successfully created my database. So next I click on go back. After creating my database, what's next for me is to create my user. Let me name my user as this. Then I click on create user. I've successfully created my user. I've created my database. So let me click on go back. After I've successfully created my database and my user, next I'm going to add the user to my database. I'll make sure I select the listing I just created. That's Rio. Here is it. Here too. Rio. Here is it. Add. I'll give her privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Now I've successfully given all privileges to the user. So let me copy the database username. Database name, username, okay, Here is my database name. Next, I click on install. Okay, let me see. My first name is admin, my last name is admin, username is admin, email is admin@example.com. And I click on create. So I will insert my license key, that's purchase code, then I click on activate license. Yes, installation finished. I click on go to admin dashboard. Okay, here is the dashboard. So what I showed you earlier is the home page, but here is the dashboard. So I'm stopping here. As you can see, I've successfully installed it. Use the IAM link in the description to help you to develop it. Thank you.